the geopolitical situation is creating new challenges, including some unexpected turbulence. What is reassuring for India is that these challenges cannot touch or trouble our people. This is because India has the invincible protective wall called Narendra Bhai Modi. Let the world know that this is India's defining decade. Under the Prime Minister's leadership, India is not just preparing for the future, India is shaping it. And from Saurashtra and Kutch, we in industry are very happy to participate in this growth and the direction that the Prime Minister has shown all of us. Thank you, respected Prime Minister. Let me start with Jai Somnath. The positive vibrations from our dear Prime Minister's prayers at Somnath are resonating across Gujarat and India. I congratulate our Param Adarniya Pradhan Mantri ji for the great honor bestowed upon Saurashtra and Kutch by being personally present at the Vibrant Gujarat Regional Summit. After 20 years of Vibrant Gujarat in Gandhinagar, it's a privilege to participate in the first regional Vibrant Gujarat Summit in this historic city of Rajkot. This summit will be a true force multiplier for the manifold development of Saurashtra. I salute Rajkot, truly a Raja, a king among cities of Gujarat. I salute the sacred soil of Saurashtra because my father, Mara Pujya Pitashri, Dhirubhai Ambani, સૌરાષ્ટ્રની ધરતીના પુત્ર હતા. એમનો જન્મ અહીંયા ચોરવાડમાં જ થયો હતો. Most respected Prime Minister, you have restored to India its civilization self-belief. Never in the history of independent India have we seen so much hope, so much self-confidence, and so much vibrancy in India as we do now. Your vision has reshaped India's trajectory for the next 50 years and more. History will record that the Modi era is when India moved from potential to performance, from aspiration to action, from being a follower to becoming a global force. From being a follower to becoming a global force. Dear friends, for Reliance, Gujarat is far more than a location. Gujarat is our body, heart, and soul. We are a Gujarati company. Today, I stand before you with 5 firm commitments. First, investment at unprecedented scale. Reliance is already Gujarat's largest investor. In the last 5 years, we have invested over 3.5 lakh crores. Today, I am pleased to announce that we will double this to 7 lakh crores over the next 5 years, creating exponential employment, livelihoods, and greater sampati for every Gujarat. Global leadership in clean energy and green materials. At Jamnagar, we are building the world's largest integrated clean energy ecosystem, spanning solar, battery energy storage, green hydrogen, green fertilizer, sustainable aviation fuel, and maritime fuels and advanced materials. These are not only industries of the future, they are foundations of India's prosperous tomorrow. Jamnagar, once the largest hydrocarbon energy exporter, will, in the coming years, become India's largest exporter of green energy and material from Gujarat, transforming Kutch into a global clean energy hub. Our multi-gigawatt utility-scale solar project, making Gujarat India's artificial intelligence pioneer. In Jamnagar, we are building India's largest artificial intelligence-ready data center with a single goal: affordable AI for every Indian. Jio will launch a people-first intelligence platform built in India for India and the world, enabling every citizen, starting from Gujarat, to access AI services in their own language, on their own device, every day to make them more efficient and productive. Partnering for India's Olympic ambitions and social progress. The Reliance Foundation stands ready to serve the Prime Minister's vision of bringing 2036 Olympics to Ahmedabad. As a concrete step, Reliance will partner with the Gujarat government to manage the Veer Savarkar Multi-Sports Complex in Naranpura, a hub for hosting national and international events and training India's future champions. We are also establishing a world-class hospital in Jamnagar in Saurashtra and expanding our education facilities multifold. Development of Gujarat is our sankalp. Big in vision, bold in execution, rooted in Gujarat and dedicated to the service of Bharat Mata.